Hello. Thank you for being here today. This is a big moment for us. My name is Ken Griggs, the CEO of Julia Social, and today we're launching our first product, not.bot. Not.bot does exactly what it says. It's how you show you're not a bot online. Specifically, not.bot is a new privacy-protecting form of digital identity, an anonymous proof of human that you can use anywhere across the internet right now. In other words, not.bot is a way to prove you're human online that keeps your personal information completely private. Not.bot uses the Chia global public blockchain to help ensure privacy and security. For multiple technical reasons, not.bot could not exist on any other blockchain. We're using the Chia blockchain because it is the best data store for global identity proofs. Most users will never know they're using a blockchain. Ever seen a fake video of someone saying something they never said? Deepfakes are getting more common and more convincing. It used to seem like science fiction to think it would be difficult to tell a bot from a human. Now, it happens all the time. As AI becomes more capable, it's going to become harder and harder to tell what is real online. Content creators are already losing $3 billion a year to deepfakes. And that's just one type of attack enabled by AI. Even ordinary individuals are getting emails and texts from AI pretending to be loved ones. It's not just Scarlett Johansson that has a deepfake problem. What we need is a privacy-protecting way to tell you're interacting with a real human online. That's where not.bot comes in. I hear you asking, so Ken, how does it work? Well, first you prove you're human. You only have to do it once, and we'll get back to how that works in a minute. After you prove you're human, you'll have the opportunity to create what we call stickers. Here's one. Let's talk for a moment about what's in a sticker. Those of you that have the app already can scan the sticker and see that it has a message, not.bot launch event on YouTube, August 18th, 2025. I have digitally signed the message in the sticker, so there's no way for someone to change it. If someone copy-pastes the sticker into any other video, it will obviously be wrong. When you create a sticker, you can choose what verified information to share. You might include, just that you're a human over 13, or your age range without your exact age. You might include your nationality, you might include your gender, or just that you're a human and nothing else. You control what you share, and you can share different information for different situations. Those of you that scan the sticker will also notice that it says the sticker is from @notbotofficial at x.com. This is called a verified creator badge. Verified creator badges are one way you can know who created a sticker. Another way to show who created the sticker is with a reserved name. A reserved name is a name that you choose and is reserved solely for you worldwide. No one else can have the same name. When you have a reserved name, your stickers will show up with that name for everyone. If you have a name you like to use online, you should reserve it quickly before someone else gets it. Starman is already taken. If you don't have a reserved name or a verified creator badge, you'll get assigned a fun animal name, like respectably upstanding grubworm. These auto-generated names help protect your privacy because they don't give away any information about you. not.bot makes it easy to avoid being tracked around the internet by creating aliases. Just like authors use pen names, you can use different aliases online while still proving you're human. You can use one alias for work, like this one, and another alias for personal stuff. You can even create aliases you use just once. There is no way anyone can tell that two aliases belong to the same person without your permission. And each verified creator badge and reserved name is associated with one specific alias. Here's what makes stickers special. They work on the internet as it exists today. You don't have to wait for YouTube or Instagram or any website to support not.bot. There's two kinds of stickers: QR code stickers like this one and jab code stickers. Here's the same sticker as a jab code. Jab codes have all the data for the sticker embedded directly in the image. Once you create it, it can be verified by anyone forever. QR code stickers are useful because they are smaller and easier to put in videos, for example. They have the same data as a jab code sticker, but instead of being directly in the sticker, the data is encrypted and stored on the not.bot servers. The decryption key is in the QR code. So even if someone was to steal all our sticker data off our servers, they wouldn't get any information about what your stickers say. That also means we have no way to read your stickers. I want you to remember that privacy is fundamental to not.bot. Okay, so that's what a sticker is. Now let's talk about what a sticker does, because it's a complete game changer for the internet. Stickers are the only type of digital signature that works on the modern internet. Think about this stream right now. Some of you are watching on phones, others on computers. Some have fast internet, and others are maybe on slower connections. YouTube is sending different versions of the stream to each of you. There is no normal digital signature method that a creator could provide that would still be usable on all those versions. But all of you can scan and verify the same sticker. Think about that for a minute. Stickers allow you to sign anything you can attach an image to. That means it works anywhere, right now, all the way across the internet. Also, stickers allow you to sign anything regardless of how you create it. Maybe you used AI to create something. That's fine. People use AI all the time. Detecting AI is not the answer. Signing what you create, regardless of how you create it, that is the answer. One way to use a sticker is just to prove you're human. Anyone with a social media account, which is nearly everyone, can use not.bot stickers to show their account is owned by a real person. For posts that may go viral, you can even sign individual posts with a not.bot sticker. You can stop important emails from being ignored as AI-generated spam by signing your emails so that recipients know it came from a real person. Also, I don't know about you, but I get a bunch of text messages claiming to be from job recruiters. I ignore them all because I assume they're all fake. But if I got one with a valid not.bot sticker, I'd at least know that it came from a human. We can stop catfishing before it starts. Request stickers from the people you meet online. Particularly in dating apps, it would be really nice to know you're talking to a real human, along with some basic information like age range, gender, and nationality. I don't want to flirt with a robot, do you? And when you're buying and selling things online, wouldn't you like to know you're interacting with a real person? Now, suppose you're a creator. You want people to know it's you regardless of what site you're posting on. So you can use the same alias across YouTube and TikTok, for example. And when you meet your fans in person, you can show a sticker with your alias directly from your phone so they can know it's really you. DragonCon is coming up right here in Atlanta, and there will be many friends that have never met each other in person. not.bot is a great way to show your online creds in person. Okay, now I said we'd come back to how you prove you're a human. At launch, we're using government-issued passports. To join not.bot, you'll scan the digitally signed NFC chip in the passport. Now don't get scared. The data from your passport is encrypted and is stored only on your phone. We don't have your passport data. We can't sell your data, and we can't lose your data in a hack because we don't have it. Would you like to know what happens if we get hacked? Pretty much nothing. Maybe some features of not.bot stop working temporarily. We don't have any information about you. We don't have your personal information. We don't have your email address. We don't have your Apple ID. We don't have your credit card. We don't even know which aliases and reserved names belong to you. We don't have your sticker data, and we never know what stickers you scan. Do you know how hard it is to know so little about our users? It's really hard. It takes some PhD-level advanced cryptography called multi-party computation that we co-developed with a leading research organization. Even then, there was a lot of work in data engineering and entropy analysis required. But we've done it. We've spent over a year building not.bot this way because we believe it's the only way to create something everyone can trust. One key thing we don't have is biometrics. Why are we using passports to set up your not.bot? Because we think fingerprints, face scans, and other biometric data should stay yours. In the future, we'll have in-person verification to provide not.bot to more people. Now, how many of you have actually read the privacy policy for the services you use online? If you haven't, I'll let you in on a secret. They're mostly awful. Nearly all the big platforms track you and keep a huge amount of data about you. And often, they sell or trade it if they don't lose it in a hack. Whatever their marketing or website says, read the actual privacy policy to know what they're really doing. That's where things get real. I'm proud of our privacy policy. It's like finding an organic snack in a shelf full of junk food. I encourage you to actually read it. For example, did you know our website has no tracking cookies at all? Today, we're launching not.bot so people can interact with other real people online and sign the things they create. But this is just the beginning. Soon, websites will be able to ask for your not.bot. That means you can prove you're human or prove you're over 18 without sharing any information and without being tracked from site to site. Imagine logging in with not.bot and never having to remember 1,000 different passwords again. We're also working on not.bot Enterprise for companies and even HonestBot for AI agents. So when helpful AI agents become common, you'll know which ones to trust and who's running them. Okay, so let's be very clear about where not.bot is now. It is early days for us. There are 3 levels of the not.bot app. As a pro user, you get unlimited aliases, QR codes, and 1 reserved name that you choose. As a verified creator, you additionally get unlimited verified creator badges and a total of 5 reserved names that you choose. And as a free user, you'll be limited to 5 aliases and only be able to create jab code stickers. There are 2 ways to join. The easiest way is to download the app and subscribe as either a pro user or a verified creator. If you want to join the free tier, for now you'll need a referral code. Sign up on our website for a referral code on a first-come, first-served basis. Alternatively, see if you can find a friend that is a subscriber to get a referral code. Right now, not.bot is available in the US Apple App Store for use on iPhones, and you need a passport to join. But you don't need a passport to get the free app and to scan the not.bot stickers you find online. We're working to get to Android and to go international as fast as we can. We're also looking at ways that people without passports can join not.bot with in-person verification. Now, I have to admit, we were a little bit late, and we just submitted the app to the Apple App Store for final review. So it should be available shortly, maybe in a couple days. When it's out, please download it and check it out. Also, the website will go live tomorrow, so please look there for more information. Okay, if you remember just 3 things from this presentation today, it's this. 1, not.bot is a privacy-protecting digital ID that proves you're human while keeping your information private. 2, We don't track you. We can't lose your data because we don't have it. And 3, you can use not.bot anywhere across the internet right now. Thank you for coming. I look forward to seeing your stickers across the internet. Let's take back the internet from the bots.